longest train in HR school.
Derp, 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 derp,
Why are you
derp.
saying derp?
Because derp is the word of the day. Jesus is long. Are you seeing this? It took that about 14 seconds to completely pass. This is just insane, like, literally, like, how in the world does this work in world history?
Oh, there was a robbery at Macy's or Sears.
Oh,
J.C. Penney, that's it.
J.C. Penney.
And then this is one of the Slipknot.
No, that's why you went ahead.
That's what?
Did you know that guy over there?
Do you want me to give you like a shout out, like point the camera at you? See the conductor of this? This is his beautiful watch.
Dude, it's a watch. Who really cares?
I know. That's the conductor of the train. Yeah. What?
It's not mine.
Oh.
It's not my train.
Sure.